Welcome back, family. I hope you've been good. Today we're gonna make vanilla ice cream protein dessert with PB&B. This was the first dessert meal that I've made, extravagant dessert meal. Up until this point, I was just, doing protein powder and yogurt with a little bit of chia seeds mixed in. But one day I decided to go grand. I decided to go big or go home. And this is basically what I did. So, I hope you like how it comes out, but let's get into what you'll need to make it. You're gonna need a vanilla flavored protein powder, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, 2 tablespoons of peanut butter, 1/4 cup of kefir, 1 cup of Greek yogurt, and 1 banana. You're also going to need a 1/4 cup measuring cup and a tablespoon and a bowl to put everything in. So first you're going to scoop your protein powder. It's so essential that you do this first. If not, protein powder will be flying everywhere when you try to mix it. Don't say I didn't warn you. So next we're going to use some Greek yogurt. I know the price on the Greek yogurt may have seemed kind of a lot for a little mini cup, but the Walmart I go to and get my prices from doesn't sell mini cups of Greek yogurt anymore. So I just had to go with a whole tub of Greek yogurt and divide by 3. So bear with me. I think it kind of comes out roughly the same. Anyway, after adding Greek yogurt, we're going to add in a 1/4 cup of kefir. Over time, I've started to add more kefir to this dish. Kefir is a probiotic. I think it's high in calcium. It's good for you, so add as much as you want. And now we're going to mix. As you can see, it's not always very easy to mix, even though it's soluble. I think that's the word I want to say. I was going to say water soluble, and I think it is water soluble. There are some people who just put protein powder in water and mix it and drink it. I am not one of those people. I've never done that. I'm not interested in doing that. It just seems a little extreme to me, but I don't know. Maybe it tastes just fine. I can't knock it if I haven't tried it. But it ultimately mixes in very well with yogurt. I think that's the best thing to pair. The best thing to pair protein powder with, in my humble opinion. So now that we have it all mixed up, we're gonna chop in some banana really quick. I think I did the center line, like the what's it called, lengthwise chop first, and then I sliced it so they come out as half circles. You don't have to do that, but I tend to feel like it gives me more banana to go around. Maybe that's all in my head. I don't know. Anywho, as you can see, I'm placing it gently, ever so gently, on one side of the bowl. We're going for aesthetics here. This is definitely an aesthetic dish. We want to win the IG prize for best photographed breakfast, best photographed dessert. We're in the running. Be sure to vote for us at mealsbyodera. Every vote counts. And then we're going to just gently sprinkle the chia seeds on the edge of the banana. Like I said, we're going for precision. We're going for artwork. We're going for, this looks like it costs, $7 when really it costs about $3. And so we're gonna put 2 scoops of peanut butter on the side. Now, just so we're all clear, that was a heaping tablespoon. If you happen to be counting your calories, don't do that, okay? Don't do that, okay? I'm being a complete hypocrite right now. I personally don't care that much. I love peanut butter, so I'm gonna sneak in a little bit extra when I feel like, which is pretty much every time. But I just want to be clear, if you happen to be counting your calories, don't do heaping tablespoons or cups of anything, because you're just kind of throwing off your calorie count. But anyway, here's what we have. A well-rounded meal. Chia seeds coming with the fiber, bananas coming with potassium, protein coming with protein, peanut butter coming with peanut butter fat in a good way. And then here's the price per meal breakdown. Here's the nutrition facts. I really hope you're having a great week. I really hope that you're having a great month as well. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Definitely let me know if you like this recipe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.